Today I will show you 10 most important commands in Windows which everyone must know. It will make your life easier when you want to repair, troubleshoot or upgrade your computer. In this video, I will cover the following 10 topics. How to get the IP address of your computer. Number 2, how to get the gateway, DNS and MAC address. Number 3, how to get the MAC address in a shortest way. Number 4, how to get the computer name of your desktop or laptop. Number 5, how to get the memory information of your laptop or desktop. Number 6, how to get the detailed information about your memory chip. Number 7, how to get the hard disk information of your system. Number 8, how to get the partition name, partition size and free space. Number 9, how to get the brief information about your PC, make, model, operating system, CPU, memory and graphic card. And number 10, how to get the serial number of your desktop or laptop computer. To do this exercise, first we will launch the command prompt. And how we will launch the command prompt, you have to type the CMD in the search box. CMD. This is the command prompt. We will launch the command prompt as an administrator. Press yes. We are launching command prompt as an administrator. We will get a lot of benefits because some commands they need certain kinds of permissions and privileges which will be available by using the administrator user. So that is why we have launched the command prompt as an administrator. So first topic is how to get the IP address of your computer. To get the IP address of your computer, you have to type the command IPCONFIG. It's one word without any space. So type IPCONFIG. I'm getting a lot of information because I have many network cards. Currently I am using wireless network card which is enable and active. So the IP address of my PC is, you can see here, 192.168.2.93. Is there any other way I can get the IP address of my computer? So there is another command. You can go to control panel and you can click the network feature, or you can type ncpa.cpl command. So type ncpa.cpl, enter. I have many network cards. Most of them are either disconnected or disabled. Currently only one network card is active, which is Wi-Fi. Right click, go to status, click details, and you can see the IP address of your computer here. This is the IP address of your computer or your network card. Close this window, close, and close this window as well. Clear the screen. To clear the screen, type the cls command. Now next topic is, if you see here, number 2 is how to get the gateway, DNS and MAC address. To get the gateway, DNS and MAC address, type the IPCONFIG /all command. So IPCONFIG space all. So currently I am using wireless network card. This is my current network card which is active. So this is the IP address 192.168.2.93. That is the default gateway address, which is 192.168.2.1, and that is the DNS address, which is 1.1.1.1. Also, by using this command, you can find the DHCP server address, which is 192.168.2.1. There is an alternative method which you can use to find the default gateway, IP address, DNS and DHCP addresses. Type the ncpa.cpl command. Most of the network cards are disabled or they are disconnected. Currently only one network card is active. So select this network card, right click, go to status, go to detail, and you can see here the IP address is 192.168.2.93. The DHCP address is 192.168.2.1. Default gateway is 192.168.2.1. DNS address is 1.1.1.1. So you can also find the same information by using the ncpa.cpl command. Next, close all these windows. Next topic is how to get the MAC address in a shortest way. So there is a window command. You can use that command to find the MAC address quickly, and that command is getmac, get MAC. And here that is the MAC address. This is the MAC address of disconnected media. So this network card is disconnected, and that's why. But still, that is the MAC address of the one of the network card. This is the MAC address of the current wireless network card, which is E8-4E-06-8F-66-4E. And this is the another network card. Because these network cards are not connected, that is why either it shows here disconnected, if you see here disconnected, or some of the network card they does not exist, because I am also using virtual machines. Let's go for the next topic. How to get the computer name of your desktop or laptop computer. So how to get the computer name? Type the command HOSTNAME. It's just one word, HOSTNAME, and in this way you can get the computer name of your laptop or desktop. Just type HOSTNAME. Is there any other alternative method to find the computer name? Yes, you can go here, right click, go to properties, and click this rename this PC. As soon as you will click, you will get one window and it will show here host WinPC, that is the name of your computer. So that is the alternative method. Close this window. So let's see what is the next topic. So number 5 is how to get the memory information of your laptop or desktop. So let's go for the memory information. To get the memory information, we will use one Windows built-in utility, and that utility is called WMIC, which is the abbreviation of Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line. WMIC. So this is the built-in utility. We will use this utility to get the memory information. Just type WMIC and you will get this prompt. At this prompt, type memory chip. Get device locator, comma, manufacturer, comma, capacity, comma, speed, comma, part number, enter. So you can see here I have 4 memory stick. In channel A, I have first memory stick, which is called DIMM0. The manufacturer is Kingston and the part number is 9905584-023.A00LF. Speed is 1333 megahertz and capacity is 4 GB. Because this capacity is mentioned here in bytes, so if you move the decimal here 3 digit, that will be kilobyte. If you move further 3 digit, that will be megabyte. If you move further 3 digit, that will be 4.2 GB. So that is 4 GB. This one is also 4 GB. The second memory stick is DIMM1, made by Kingston. Part number is this. Speed is 1333. The third memory stick is also 4 GB. It is installed at channel B, stick number 3, made by Samsung, and that is the part number, and this is the speed. And the fourth one installed on DIMM1 channel B, made by Micron, and that is the part number, and this is the speed. It is very helpful if you want to increase the memory in your system, or if one of the memory has died and you want to replace or upgrade. This information will be very helpful. Let's go to the next topic. Let's see what is the next topic is. How to get the detailed information about memory chip. So if you want to get the detailed information, you can use type memory, same thing, type memory space list and full. So memory chip list full, type this command and press enter. So you can see you have all memory information here. So memory 0 is your first memory, or you can say bank 0. So first memory stick is installed at bank 0. This is your physical memory made by Kingston, and if you check the size, capacity is 4 GB, and that is the part number. And if you go, that is the second memory which is installed at bank 1 made by Kingston. If you check, the capacity is 4 GB, and that is the part number. Similarly, you have memory number 3 which is installed at bank 2. This is the physical memory and made by Samsung, that is the part number. And similarly, you have third memory which is your physical memory, and manufacturer name is Micron. If you check the size, this one is also 4 GB. Let's see what is the next topic is. How to get the hard disk information of your system. So to get the hard disk information of your system, type the following command: disk drive get model, comma serial number, comma size, comma manufacturer, comma free space. We have to check, maybe there is some mistake in the spelling. Disk drive get model, get serial number, size, manufacturer, and then free space. So in this command, actually there is no option for free space. So we should not supposed to use free space in this command. You can use name instead of this. So if you check, we have two hard drive. First hard drive is HGST, the model is, and that is the model number. That is the first physical drive. That is the serial number of the hard drive, and size is 500 GB. The model HGST starting with HTS, it shows it's a Hitachi hard disk. The second hard disk model is ST2000DM008, and this ST shows this is, and that is the hard drive number 2. This is the serial number of the hard drive, and the size of the hard drive is 2 terabyte. because if you go here, that is kilobyte, move further 3 more digit, that is megabyte, another 3 digit, that is gigabyte. So 2000 gigabyte, which is 2 terabyte. Let's go for the next topic. How to get the partition name, partition size and free space of your hard disk. To get this information, type this command, logical disk get name, size, free space. If you check here, you have 5 logical drives: C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive and G drive. And C drive, we can see here the size of C drive is 1.99, which is 2 terabyte, and free space is 1.58 terabyte. If you check F drive, the size of F drive is 25.8 gigabyte and free space is 17.9 gigabyte. That is the free space. If you check this drive, which is 500 gigabyte, because it's almost 471 gigabyte, and free space is 412 gigabyte. So by using this command, you can find the name of the logical drive, size of the logical drive and free space which is available in the logical drives. Let's see what is the next topic is. How to get the brief information about your PC, make, model, OS, CPU, memory and graphic card. If you want to get the brief information about the manufacturer, model, operating system, CPU, memory stick and graphic card, you can use the DXDIAG command. So exit from WMIC utility. So I am exiting. Clear the screen. Use the DXDIAG command. DXDIAG. It's a one word. You have to type DXDIAG. Enter. And you can see here the computer name is host WinPC. If you see the operating system, it's Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. If you see the manufacturer, which is Dell Incorporation. If you see the model of the PC is Optiplex 990. If you see the processor information, it is Intel Core i5-2500 CPU and the speed of the CPU is 3.30 gigahertz. It shows 4 CPUs. It means it's a quad core. So one physical CPU has 4 layers of logical CPUs. So it's a quad core CPU and the speed is 3.3 gigahertz. The memory which is installed, total memory is 16 GB. If you check here, if you divide this one by 1000, it is 16 GB. And that, if you click display 1, it shows I have 2 display cards or 2 graphic cards. It is called Intel High Definition Graphic Card. Manufacturer is Intel Corporation. Device type is full display, and total memory which is built in the display card is 1.6 GB, which is almost 2 GB, and display memory is 32 MB, and shared memory is this. If you go for second display card, again it is made by Intel Graphics. Manufacturer is Intel Corporation. Device type is full display device. Approximately installed memory in the display card is 1.6 GB, which is 2 GB. So this command is very handy, and by using this command easily you can get the brief information about your computer system. Now we are going to exit. Let's see what is the next topic is. How to get the serial number of your desktop or laptop computer. Sometime you need that information, and to get the information about serial number of your laptop, again we will use the Windows built-in utility WMIC. So type WMIC, and under WMIC type the command BIOS get serial number. So in this case, the serial number of my computer is 4W21XQ1. Now we have covered all the topics. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want to watch other videos on Linux, Unix, Windows, Oracle, and other technology related videos, please subscribe to my channel Global Knowledge Share. Thank you.